Tonight, a man who admitted he committed a crime nearly 30 years ago is a free man.
A jury, in fact, ruled 76-year-old John Sheehan not guilty of sexually assaulting a 4-year-old girl despite his confession. Let's go right to News Channel 5's Sabira Rayford live in West Palm Beach tonight to explain why. Sabira?
76-year-old John Sheehan volunteered his statement that he sexually abused a child. That's because he thought the statute of limitations had expired. But that's not the case in sexual assault cases. But a jury still found him not guilty anyway.
I'm happy I'm going home.
John Sheehan called the verdict an early Christmas present. A jury found him not guilty of sexually abusing his 4-year-old neighbor between 1990 and 1991. His public defender told reporters afterwards she believes inconsistencies in the evidence prevailed.
I think the evidence was wholly inconsistent time and time again, and I think that this was the right verdict, and we're happy that he'll be home with his family for Christmas.
But Summer Barnes would not elaborate on what those inconsistencies were.
Nothing further, thank you.
Nothing from the state attorney on camera, just a written statement about the judge hearing the case, saying this is a substitute judge who has sat on 2 capital sexual battery cases, both with a finding of not guilty. According to this court website, Judge Edward Artel predominantly presides over civil cases. Sheehan left the courtroom with his partner, Susan Bell. He wouldn't talk about his supposed confession to police. The arrest report says in 2016, while talking to detectives, Sheehan admitted to sexually abusing the child. But that reported confession wasn't enough to get a guilty verdict. Leaving the courthouse today, he thanked his attorneys.
My attorneys are great. They're just great.
When Sheehan explained on the, when Sheehan actually testified, he explained away the confession, saying he lied because he thought that's what the police wanted to hear. It took a jury of 4 women and 2 men around 2 hours to come back with that verdict. Live in West Palm Beach, Sabir Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.